to my channel, The World of Arts, and today I'm going to be drawing a beautiful type of painting with this like wooden type of straw. I don't know what it is, but it's something. So let's get started. So first thing we are going to be doing is taking our paints like this, and then opening it and taking some paint, putting some drops here and starting blowing it. So I gotta poured the drop and now I start blowing. I will blow it all. So guys, I have blown a little bit, if you can see, like blown the blue color, and now let's do some color else. Together I have poured this red type of brown, and now I'm going to blow it. So guys, I have blown this type of brown color as well, and now let's try some color else. So guys, now I have done yellow, and now let's blow it. So guys, now I've done like yellow, and now I'm going to do another. So guys, now I've done like green, and now I'm going to blow it. So guys, now I have done like blue, and now I'm going to doing another color like pink. So guys, now I've done a layer pink, and now I'm going to blow. So guys, after doing a lot of like blowing stuff, I've done a lot of colors. As you can see, it was pretty hard. I couldn't record it because like it was not like when I was like doing it, it's always like not good. So I have did it like this. First, I just take my paintbrush. I'm going to give you instructions so you don't like blow it. So first, take some paint. Second, put a lot of water in it, a lot. And then take your paintbrush and squeeze a drop of a paint, and then start blowing it, and it will become like this. And then some more colors, more, and this. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoy, but now I'm going to make the details. It's not over yet. First, I'm going to be taking some green color and making a straight line here. 1, 2. So guys, I have drawn this line. As you can see, let me get it a little bit closer. Look. This is the line. And now guys, I'm going to be like making the roots and stuff, like covering the bottom part. So first I'm going to be taking some light green and coloring this one. I'm sorry, the light is like so bright. You cannot see what I'm doing. Actually, I am coloring this part all. So when I will be done, I will come right back. So guys, I hope you can see I have colored this bottom part like this. And so guys, I have done this, and now I'm going to be making a little bit like type of roots. Like this, like this, 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 like this. And let me like this. So guys, I have done my type of this drawing, and like it have of like a painting that it's like so good. I think so, and please tell me in the comments how you think it looks, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.